The 1000 Sisters star Tammy Slaton is once again facing heartache and emotional upheaval, as news broke that her fiancé has been hospitalized due to a serious health condition. Fans of the TLC reality show were stunned and deeply concerned when the reports started circulating across social media and online forums. While Tammy has not yet spoken publicly in detail, sources close to the family have revealed that the situation is far more severe than initially believed, throwing the couple's future plans into uncertainty. For someone who has endured years of health struggles, emotional challenges, and very public ups and downs, Tammy now finds herself on the other side of a medical crisis, this time, not as the patient, but as the worried partner, watching helplessly as the man she loves battles for stability from a hospital bed. Insiders say that Tammy and her fiancé had been working on building a life together after months of sharing sweet moments online and attending family gatherings. Their relationship had been moving toward a possible wedding, with close friends suggesting that Tammy had never looked so happy. However, the joy was abruptly halted when her fiancé began experiencing alarming symptoms that required emergency medical intervention. The specific condition has not yet been publicly disclosed, but a source within the hospital system confirmed that his situation is classified as critical but stable, which sent fans into a frenzy of speculation and concern. Many loyal viewers who have followed Tammy's journey from her days in the rehab center to her dramatic weight loss transformation have voiced overwhelming support for her online, expressing heartbreak that she now has to face another emotionally taxing chapter. Just weeks earlier, Tammy posted joyful TikTok videos showing off her slimmer frame and a new outlook on life, with fans celebrating what looked like a well-deserved turnaround. Now, those same fans are flooding her social media accounts with prayers and well wishes, hoping that her fiancé pulls through and that Tammy doesn't retreat into isolation as she has done in the past during difficult times. As cameras continue to roll for upcoming episodes of 1000 Sisters, it's unclear whether this health emergency will be featured on the show, or whether TLC will allow Tammy and her fiancé to process this traumatic event in private. What is certain is that the family has once again been rocked by uncertainty, and Tammy's recent progress might be tested under the weight of stress and emotional turmoil. Several fan groups have pointed out that Tammy has grown significantly in how she handles difficult events, particularly since the death of her late husband Caleb Willingham. That tragic chapter was a turning point for her, prompting a spiritual and mental transformation that viewers witnessed in real time. Now, with her fiancé's life in limbo, supporters are hopeful that she won't spiral, but instead draw strength from the same inner resolve that helped her shed hundreds of pounds and reclaim her independence. Behind the scenes, close friends of the couple have shared that Tammy has been by her fiancé's side since the moment he was admitted to the hospital. She's reportedly spent long nights at his bedside, only leaving briefly to attend to her basic needs. Nurses have described her as incredibly attentive and emotionally present, a far cry from the Tammy that fans first met, often angry, withdrawn, and distrustful. Her growth, they say, is undeniable, and this crisis is only reinforcing how deeply she cares for her partner. In the meantime, speculation about the nature of the health condition continues to spread online. Some fans believe it may be heart-related due to his visible weight struggles, while others have speculated it could be complications from diabetes or an unknown infection. Neither the Slaton family nor TLC has made an official statement to confirm or deny these theories, which has only added to the sense of worry and confusion. However, Tammy's recent behavior may offer a subtle glimpse into her emotional state. In a now-deleted Instagram post, she shared a cryptic image with the caption, "Some storms come to clear your path." The post was later removed, possibly at the advice of family members or show producers, but not before fans captured screenshots and began to dissect its meaning. To many, it was a silent confirmation that she is currently navigating another difficult period and using motivational quotes as a form of self-soothing. Over the past year, Tammy's resilience has been tested time and time again, yet she has emerged stronger after each trial. The loss of Caleb, her major health battles, and intense public scrutiny have all shaped her into someone fans now root for. The difference in her attitude is evident in how she's handling this most recent ordeal. Rather than lash out or disappear, she's showing up, quietly, consistently, and with an unshakable loyalty to the man she loves. The Slayton family, always known for their boisterous personalities and tight-knit dynamics, has reportedly rallied around Tammy during this time. Amy Slayton, her sister and longtime co-star, was spotted visiting the hospital and bringing meals and comfort items to support Tammy through the exhausting days. Their bond, often tested in past seasons, appears to be stronger than ever now. Amy is said to be deeply concerned for both her sister and her sister's partner and is doing everything she can to keep spirits high. Meanwhile, fans have started fundraising campaigns and message boards dedicated to sending virtual support to Tammy and her fiancé. The outpouring of love has been nothing short of massive, with fans across the country sending gifts, cards, and heartfelt notes. One fan even coordinated a digital prayer circle event that drew thousands of attendees online, all hoping to uplift the couple during this uncertain time. Though there are still many unanswered questions, one thing is clear: Tammy Slayton has become someone people admire not just for her physical transformation, but for the emotional strength she now exhibits in the face of pain. This crisis, though heart-wrenching, is further evidence of her growth. While her fiancé's condition remains uncertain, the one constant in this situation is Tammy's unwavering presence and support. As updates continue to trickle in, fans remain glued to their screens, hoping for any good news. Whether or not Tammy chooses to share more in the coming days, she undoubtedly knows that the world is watching, cheering her on, and hoping for a miracle. The story is still unfolding, and everyone is hoping that Tammy's fiancé pulls through and the couple is given a second chance at love, life, and happiness together. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.